Hello people, this is a video on how to teach you how to draw a stickman, but this way it's a more fun way. So let's say you know how to draw a regular based stickman, something like this. Now, this is what everyone's depiction of drawing or just a stickman at all. But let's say if we spread this out a little bit and give some room for some other shapes. Now, I have a bunch of other shapes here, but we're going to start with certain steps and easy ways for you to figure it out. Let's push this up a little bit and give him a neck and start with the body. And then let's start with the waist, the abdomen, and all that good stuff. Now our stickman just increased already. This improved our stickman much more. Let's incorporate more shapes to this stickman. Let's give this stickman some hands and feet. Now our stickman has hands and feet. Ultimate improvement, and now we have movable parts. Let's take our stickman in another level. I'm going to do something that's a little bit iffy to some, but once you learn it, it's way easier to figure it out. Because legs here, they don't just attach to your bottom stomach or your lower abdomen. They move around like an action figure. So let's add some circular joints right here. Bink, bonk, and now we have movable parts. Such as this figurine's leg right here. Almost like an action figure. Now we're going to do something similar to these legs, and we're going to give it shoulder joints. So let's space this out a little bit farther, because your arms don't just come from your pecs. They don't just squeeze out the side of your body. Your body has shoulder joints as well. So now we have even more flexible parts. Now there's one more thing we can do. Well, there's plenty of other things we can do. But to get the basic bestie or buck for your stickman, there's one more thing we can do. Or maybe a couple more. I'm going to go right here and just snip, snip, snip. One more. Snip. And now we have... Now you might be asking, why did I cut those in half? Because we're going to incorporate the final piece to complete this puzzle. And that is elbow joints. Bink. Right there. And right here. Now, they can be the size you want them to be, but I color-coded them at least so you can get a better idea of what we're looking at. And this is a perfect stickman you can use. I use this sometimes myself, actually a lot of times, especially when I'm doing three-dimensional angles. Let's say you wanted to create a bigger body, or a different shape of a body. You can easily just spread it out a little bit, and spread this out. Let's take this out. Let's just take this out as well. We're going to import this chest and a bigger body right there. And if you want him to be a bigger, fatter person, you can just enlarge in the circle, and then we just widen the parts and bring them back together. Just like that. Let's say you wanted him short and stocky. Just move your parts. Smaller, shorter, bring them in closer. Just like this. I'm losing a little bit parts along the way, but that's no problem. Now let's get rid of this stuff right here. We don't need that. Let's say you want to create a really short guy with a big head instead. Let's just bring everything closer. Just a little bit. I kind of lost the blue joints, but that's fine. It'd be better if I Velcroed this, but... Now that took a while because it's paper, but as you can see, this is more of a childlike body type. And you can just mix and match these lines up in any which way you see fit. And that's how you can get your perfect stickman. As you can see, I've learned this method many times, or I've done this method many times and used different shapes. As you can see, we have the square, the circle, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint. It's all the same. In fact, I could show you right now. This is a perfect example, actually. We're gonna draw this paper right now. Or the stickman you just seen. The box we had before, the circle, shoulder joint, arms, down to the elbow, forearms, hands, just do square. And boom. Not perfect, but as you can see, this is the exact same thing we just built with the paper.